Ayan. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. And of course, sa ating mga cross-watchers. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po dito sa Bona Magos PH. My name is Angel Francia Feliciano po. So in today's video, Leo, alamin natin kung ano magiging kapalaran ninyo sa buwan ng Disyembre. December 2025. Paalala lang po sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, lahat po ng readings ko dito sa YouTube ay general reading lamang. So, ibig pong sabihin, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nag-resonate, Leo, at iwan yung hindi. Alright, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Ano ang magiging kapalaran ninyo sa buwan ng Disyembre sa bawat aspeto ng iyong buhay? Ayan. Mga mensahe at gabay for our Leos. First card, Leo, you have the Queen of Swords. Next, you have the Ace of Cups. Next, you have the Nine of Wands. And you have the Star. Okay. At least maganda yung huli. But we'll see, alright? Mamaya explain ko ang detailed. Now, kukuha naman tayo ng Oracle card para sa magiging main energy nyo this month for the month of December 2025. For Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. Leo, you have Mending. Okay. Now, ano naman ang spirit animal na gumagabay sa ating mga Leo signs this month, December 2025? Spirit guides and angels. Leo, you have powerful shark. Okay. Progress. Improvement. You have to trust your instincts. Okay. Mamaya explain ko yan ng mas detalyado. Now, sa love and romance, ano naman ang mensahe at gabay, ano ang paparating for our Leo signs? Leo, you have illusions. Okay, be aware of love's illusions. See reality clearly. Okay. Now, sa money and career, ano ang kapalaran, mensahe at gabay for our Leo signs? Leo, you have easy does it. Wow, slow and steady wins the race. Okay, mamaya explain ko yun ng mabuti. Alright, Leo, umpisahan na po natin. Alright, Leo, let's start with your main energy this month. You have the Mending card. Okay. Mending. Alright, so ang Mending card, Leo, ang pinakamalakas na tema mo ngayong buwan ng Disyembre. Ibig sabihin nito ay pag-aayos, pagpapagaling, pagre-reconnect at pag-release ng bigat na matagal mo ng bit-bit. So ito ang buwan kung saan unti-unti mong hinahabi ulit ang mga piraso ng puso mo, mas malakas, mas malinaw, at mas handa para sa bagong cycle. At dahil December reading ito, ang energy mo ay parang closing chapter ng 2025. Nililinis mo lahat ng natira para makapasok ka sa year 2026 na mas magaan ang energy, mas empowered ka, at mas aligned sa destiny mo. Now, with the Queen of Swords paired with the Mending card, ibig sabihin nito, ngayong buwan, Leo, mas matalas ang isipan mo at mas alam mo na kung ano ang mga hindi mo na dapat i-tolerate. So, mas magiging firm ka sa boundaries mo, mas magiging objective ka, hindi ka na magpapadala sa drama, pipiliin mo kung sino ang deserve ng energy mo. Kaya ang mensahe sir dito is, stand in your truth. Hindi mo kailangang ipilit ang sarili sa mga sitwasyon o taong hindi marunong mag-appreciate sa'yo. Also, this is a month of final decisions, mental clarity na hindi mo nakuha nung mga nakaraang buwan. Ngayon, mas malinaw na para sa'yo. Now, with the Ace of Cups, this means for you, emotional healing, right? With the Mending card, this means, for some of you, this means emotional healing. For others of you, this could mean new love and new emotional chapter. So, with the Mending, the perfect match siya. The Ace of Cups brings, the energy of the Ace of Cups brings pagbubukas ng puso para sa ilan sa inyo. Or this could be emotional rebirth. It could also be bagong simula sa love or even sa pag-self-love for others of you. Could also mean overflowing ng intuition at compassion mo. Now, kung single ka, Leo, may energy ng new emotional connection na papasok. Now, kung in a relationship ka na, this means renewal, healing, mas malambot na communication between you and your person. Now, kung broken ka or galing ka sa heartbreak, Leo, ito ang sign, ito ang buwan na magbubukas ang puso mo muli sa possibility of new love. Okay, pero pinakamalakas na energy dito, healing sa sarili. Healing sa trauma sa love, healing sa relationship, or even sa love. Pag-angat ng iyong emotional energy. Right. Now, with the Nine of Wands, Leo, this means for some of you, this is a wounded warrior energy. So, Leo, pagod ka na. Sa makaka-resonate lang po, pagod na yung ilan sa inyo. Hindi lang physically, but emotionally as well, energetically, at mentally. Pero ang sinamisay sa'yo dito, don't give up. Nandyan ka na sa dulo. Ito ang card ng taong maraming pinagdaanan, pero hindi bumigay. So ngayong buwan ng Disyembre, Leo, makakaranas ka ng breakthroughs after long battle. Resilience, pagkakaroon ng lakas kahit pagod, mas matatag na inner strength. At dahil may Mending plus Ace of Cups, andyan with the Star, ito ang huling yugto ng isang cycle na ilang buwan mong pinagpasan or pinapasan. Now, with the Star, this is hope. This is hope. Leo, this is hope. This is divine guidance and miracles, mga milagro. So, Leo, ang ending energy mo ay Star. Grabe, ito yung card ng, again, miracles, wish fulfillment, ayan, divine timing, renewal, destiny, and spiritual enlightenment. So, this means, ibig sabihin nito, unti-unti nang matutupad ang mga pinagdadasal mo. May biyayang papasok unexpectedly. Di mo inaasahan. May blessing after your long battle, right? May healing na hindi mo in-expect na darating at may light habang papasok ka na moving forward sa year 2026. So, kung may goal ka this month, malapit na makita ang breakthrough mo. Kung may problema ka, Leo, may divine solution na paparating. Na kung broken ka, right? May healing, may pag-asa, may new hope. This is literally means you're being guided. Leo, with the Star, you're being protected and you are blessed. So overall message for you this month, Leo, with this Mending is, this month is the closing plus healing chapter ng buong taon. Ang focus mo ay emotional healing, forgiveness, lalo-lalo na sa sarili, reconnection with people you love, releasing past pain, and starting new emotionally and spiritual renewal as well. And most especially, divine blessings. And also new hope and inner strength. So this month, you finally breathe again. Makakahinga ka ulit. Right? Makakahinga ka ulit. Ito ay energy ng at last. Gumagaan na ulit ang pakiramdam ko. So, hayaan mong gumaling ka this month, Leo. Huwag ipilit ang hindi aligned. Pakinggan ang intuition mo. Sobrang lakas ngayon this month. I-celebrate ang progress mo. Malit man yan. Okay, open your heart to new emotional beginnings and trust the universe. The star is a promise of miracles. Ayan. Napunta tayo sa animal spirit na gumagabay sa iyo, Leo. You have the powerful shark. Okay. Now, ngayong buwan, Leo, December 2025, ang gabay ng powerful shark ay nagsasabi sa iyo kung ano ang nararamdaman mo, Leo, yan ang tama. Sundin mo, pakinggan mo ang kutob mo. Huwag mong pagdudahan yung mga gut feelings na nararamdaman nyo. Huwag mong is-second guess. Okay, the shark is a master of intuition, survival, focus, and accuracy. So, hindi siya natatakot gumalaw kapag may kailangan siyang gawin. Hindi rin siya nagpapa-apekto sa ingay sa paligid. So, this month, Leo, your intuition is at its strongest. Napakalakas sa kailangan mong pakinggan. Especially if, for those of you are making decisions, may mga decisions kayong dapat gawin, may mga hakbang kayong gagawin, ano man ang mga kutob na nararamdaman nyo, pakinggan ninyo. Para walang sisihan, right? Mamaya sasabihin mo, tama yung kutob ko eh. Sana pinakinggan ko yung kutob ko eh. Alright? Now, with the Queen of Swords, ay, grabe. With the Queen of Swords plus Shark, this is razor sharp intuition and boundaries. Right? Napakalakas ng combination na to. The Queen of Swords gives you mental clarity, emotional detachment, wise decision making, and strong boundaries. Plus, nandito yung shark, it adds your gut instincts, right? Ability to sense danger, ability to sense opportunities, inner knowing kung sino ang totoo at hindi, and then andyan pa yung fearless action. Okay, so this means itong buwan na to, Leo, mas malinaw mong makikita ang intentions ng mga ibang tao. Sino ang genuine sa'yo, sino ang peke, sino mga totoo, sino ang ginagamit ka lang, sino ang nagpapanggap o nagtatago ng katotohanan sa'yo. Kung may duda ka sa isang tao o sitwasyon, makikita mo agad ang red flag. Okay? Kung may opportunity na para sa'yo, malalaman mo agad na, ito yon. Alam ko mag-work or something like that. Now, with the Ace of Cups, Leo, paired with the Shark, this means follow your heart without fear. Okay, yan ang mensahe. This is the energy of following your heart without fear. The Ace of Cups brings emotional renewal, love, healing, and new beginnings, especially sa love. So, this means with the shark energy, trust what your heart feels. Okay? Pakinggan or pagkatiwalaan mo kung ano yung nararamdaman ng puso mo. Trust your emotional nudges. Trust when something feels aligned. And trust when something feels not safe. Sharks do not hesitate. Hindi sila nag-hesitate. When they sense energy, they move. And they move fast. So this month, take action sa nararamdaman mo. Huwag magpakain sa overthinking. Your heart will tell you exactly what is real, what is healthy, and worth investing in. Now, punta tayo sa Nine of Wands. The Nine of Wands plus the Shark means, this means strength. This means protection and persistence. The Nine of Wands ay pagod pagod na pero lumalaban pa rin. Shark energy is unyielding, hindi sumusuko. So this means you are protected this month, Leo. Your resilience is acknowledged. You are guided to keep going. Your final breakthrough is near. Ang shark ay hindi nagpapatalo sa pressure. Ganoon din ang spirit mo ngayong buwan na ito, December 2025. Napunta tayo sa the star plus the shark. Wow, so this is divine guidance. This is intuitive accuracy. The star is about hope. Okay, ang star, this is the energy of hope, blessings, claim it, miracles, and divine alignment. So, this means malinaw ang spiritual guidance mo this month, Leo. Strong, intuitive downloads, may accurate ang mga inner voices mo. This will lead you to your destiny path. Protection against deception or harm, may mangyayari dito. Now, kung may big decisions ka this month, your instincts, ano yung instincts? Kutob mo. Your instincts will lead you to the life-changing answer. Don't forget that. The star here is telling you, you are being guided to miracles. Trust the path. Okay, so overall, the powerful shark is your reminder this month, Leo, to trust your instincts. Okay, pakinggan mo ang mga kutob mo. Move with courage. Protect your energy. Be unapologetically true to yourself. Follow your inner compass. Act decisively when something feels right. Kumbaga, kung alam mo sa sarili mo na tama yan, okay, gawin mo. And then walk away when something feels wrong, kung iba ang pakiramdam mo, or masama, or masama ang kutob mo, or para hindi mo feel, right? Walk away agad and believe in your strength. Napaka-importante. So this is a month of intuitive and accuracy para sa iyo. Breakthroughs after long battles, right? Emotional healing, spiritual guidance, clarity, most especially blessings. Claim the blessings. I-comment nyo na sa baba. And new love or emotional renewal. So, December, actually, Leo, is your month to rise, to heal, and to step into your true power. Punta tayo sa love and romance. Okay, for your love and romance, you have the illusions card. Illusions. Okay, so, this month, Leo, December 2025, ang love life mo ay umiikot. Okay, umiikot sa clarity, healing, at emotional honesty. Now, the illusions card is a powerful reminder para sa ibig sabihin nito, huwag kang basta-basta maniniwala sa fantasy. Tingnan mo muna kung ano ang totoo. Ibig sabihin nito na walang love. Ibig sabihin nito, magiging mas malinaw na sa'yo kung sino ang tunay. Sino ang nagpapakita lang ng magandang facade? Makikita mo ko yung totoo ba to? Totoo ba na mahal niya ako? Totoo ba na talagang sincere siya sa akin? Hindi ba siya nagsisinungaling? Ayan. Okay, so, ngayon naman, with the Queen of Swords talaga, malalaman mo dito. Okay, makikita mo lahat na kung illusion lang o hindi. So, this month, Leo, you are magiging matalas ang pagbabasa mo sa mga red flags. Makikita mo agad ang mga red flags. Hindi ka madaling maloko pagdating sa pag-ibig this month. Mas objective ka at logical pagdating sa relationship, at mas wise ka sa pagpili ng taong pagpapasukin mo. I mean, how do I say this? Mas wise ka sa pagpili kung sino yung taong for those of you na, mayroong nangliligaw sa'yo, you are wise sa pagpili ng taong papapasukin mo sa puso mo. That's what I wanna say. So, kumbaga, for some of you, if not, others of you, Leo, you are done with illusions. You want real commitment na. You want a real effort. You want real honesty. Kung may taong inconsistent this month, mas madali mo siyang mababasa. So, it's up for you to decide. Nasa sa inyo yung decision. Na kung may taong totoo, mas malinaw siyang. Malinaw para siya makikita mo ang talagang totoong-totoo siya. Now, punta tayo sa Ace of Cups. With the Ace of Cups, this means for some of you, new love. For others of you, this means renewal or emotional opening. So, ito ang card ng bagong emotional cycle. So, para sa mga single natin na Leo dyan, may bagong connection na paparating. Pero the message here is don't idealize this person too fast. Huwag mo madali. Hayaan mo munang ipakita niya or makita mo ang true intentions niya ng malinaw. Para sa mga karelasyon na may healing na mangyayari, may bonding, at may emotional reconnection. Pero may kailangan kayong pag-usapan ng tapatan, ng very honest communication. Lalo na kung may mga misunderstandings. Now, para sa mga past person, bababa ang emotional walls mo. So, pero kailangan mong i-ground ang sarili mo sa reality. Tanungin mo muna ang sarili mo, totoo ba ang pagbabalik niya? Totoo na ba siya this time? Real na ba to? Totoo na ba to mga kinikilos niya? Okay, is this person really real? Totoo ba siya sa akin? Okay, or baka dahil lang maganda ang timing, o baka may pakay, o baka may hidden agenda. So, those are the things na you have to see, okay, o malalaman mo. Napunta tayo sa Nine of Wands. Now, Leo, this means you are guarding your heart. This means guarded heart, and some of you have really learned a lot of lessons in the past, right? Wait lang po, mga madam. So, sorry. For the others of you, if not all of you, matagal ka lang nasaktan, Leo. Marami sa inyo siguro nasaktan na. Especially this year or even last years or mga nagdaang taon o nagdaang buwan. But this card shows na takot ka nang masaktan ulit. May walls ka. Okay? Gumagawa ka ng walls. You're building this huge wall around you. Kaya mong pinoprotektahan ang puso mo. Until now, pinoprotektahan mo ang puso mo. For those of you, marami kang natutunan sa nakaraan. Sa love life. Pero ang blessing dito, Leo, hindi ka na basta nagpapasilaw o magpapasilaw sa mga sweet words, right? Tama. You are looking now for actions. Concrete. You observe consistency na. You see reality, not fantasy na. So this is the perfect match, right? Sa illusions na Nine of Wands. You're protecting you're guarding your heart na ayaw mo na masaktan Now, punta tayo sa the Star. This means hope. Okay, for others of you, this means hope, this means healing, and may miraglong mangyayari sa love life. So, ito ang pinakamagandang energy sa love life mo ngayong December. The Star brings the energy of wish fulfillment. Kung may mga kahilingan kayo sa love life, mangyayari, matutupad. May emotional healing na mangyayari. May divine timing na nangyayari dito. And guided ka ng universe towards the right person. At may milagro sa pag-ibig. Now, kung broken ka, Leo, this is your healing month. Kung single ka, this is the month your heart opens up again. Now, kung in love ka, Leo, this is a month of renewed hope and tenderness. So, ang pinaka-message dito actually is true love is coming. But you must see clearly to recognize it. So, overall, message for you is remove the illusions, see the truth, and your heart will attract the love that's meant for you. So this month, that will bring you, magbibigay sa iyo ng clarity, may healing na mangyayari, may emotional honesty na mangyayari, marireveal ang mga katotohanan, truth revealed, and then may new beginnings para sa iyo, may deep connection din na mangyayari for others of you, and for yung iba sa inyo, you will release na the fantasy na kung saan noon ma-realize mo na fantasy lang yun nangyayari all along. And you will attract, you have this attraction towards someone sincere. Now, Majority sa inyo, you are leaving behind, may iiwanan kayong manipulative connections. Iiwanan mo na yun kasi alam niyo na marami kayong ma-realize this December. Iiwanan niyo na yung manipulative connections, yung mga pa-fall, mga emotional confusion, and false promises, lalong-lalo na. Ayaw mo na yun. So, you are stepping into real affection, real alignment, genuine effort, yung may genuine effort sa relationship, and divine protection. At some of you may mangyayaring milagro sa love life. Alright, punta tayo sa career and money mo. Leo. Okay, for your money and career, you have easy does it. So this month, Leo, ang pera at career energy mo ay nasa strategic, thoughtful at steady progress. Hindi ito buwan ng biglaang risk. Hindi rin ito panahon para pumasok sa mga mabilisan o instant kita na schemes. So kumbaga, dahan-dahan ito pero sigurado. Now with the Queen of Swords energy, this means sa career at pera mo magiging kumbaga the energy vibes na dala nito is wise decisions and clear vision. So sa pera mo at career mo mas magiging logical ka na this month. Mas matalas ang analysis mo, mas careful ka sa paglabas ng pera mo or pag-spend ng pera mo, mas strategic ka sa mga business moves mo. Diba? Ang galing. So, ito ang buwan na mas pipiliin mo ang long-term gains kaysa quick success. Now, kung may nag-o-offer sa iyo ng business, investment, or opportunity na parang too good to be true, Queen of Swords says, think first. Okay? Ask questions. Protect your resources. Okay, punta tayo sa Ace of Cups. Now, this means new opportunities, okay, or fresh energies. So, may bago at magandang opportunity sa pera ngayong December para sa iyo, Leo. Pwede itong new offer, okay, new project, new client, new idea, or new source of income. May emotional relief, malalagyan ng oxygen ang finances mo, right? So, kumbaga parang, in a sense, makakahinga ka na maluwag kasi may oxygen na. May motivation kang babalik sa career goals mo this month. And may possible start of a passionate project or business na matagal mo nang iniisip. The Ace of Cups brings a fresh financial start. Pero hindi biglaan. Unti-unti itong lalaki. So, aligned siya sa easy does it card. Small steps pero stable growth. Napunta tayo sa 9 of Wands. Now, with the 9 of Wands, this means tired but close to breakthrough. Okay, so ito yung energy ng taong pagod, maraming pinagdadaanan sa trabaho o sa problema sa pera, and then minsan gusto nang sumuko. And then, pero tuloy pa rin lumalaban. So, ang mensahe dito para sa iyo, Cancer, is don't give up. Right? Your breakthrough is very near. Na kung may project na hindi gumagana before, this month, makakita ka ng clarity para ayusin ito. No, kung naghahanap ka ng extra income, may chance na may pintuan na magbubukas. Pero kailangan mo munang magpahinga mentally para makita ang tamang timing. Now, let's move forward sa star. So, the star, financial hope ito. Financial hope, breakthrough, and divine blessings, Cancer. So, ito ang best card sa career at pera mo. The star brings abundance, unexpected financial support, miracle-like breakthroughs, opportunities na aligned with sa purpose mo, and then success after a challenging year. Okay? And then long-term stability. So, pwede ka makakita dito ng increased income, improved sales, or loyal clients, recognition sa trabaho, solutions na sa matagal na problema mo sa pera, utang, ano man yan. Right? This is divine timing energy. Guided ka at protected ang career mo, career path mo at money mo. Okay, so now, sa oracle card, right, balikan natin, easy does it. So this is slow growth, kumbaga, smart moves, kumbaga. This card is your financial guide this month, Leo. Slow and steady wins the race. So don't rush decisions regarding your money, okay? Check every detail before signing anything. Avoid impulsive spending. Wag gastos ng gastos. Okay? December ba? Ibuhos. Well, it's your decisions pa rin. Right? Dito lang ako para magbigay sa'yo ng gabay. Avoid get rich quick offers. Focus on what is stable and long term. This is your financial protection kasi message. So the universe is keeping you safe from mistakes kasi. But then, nasa sa inyo ang decision if you want to spend all your money this month. Anyway, December, right? Kasi January, February, March, ma-realize mo na, sana hindi na lang natin inubos sa pasyal. Sana hindi na lang natin inubos sa pamasko or baka na mapasubo kayo. Kasi pagdating January, maghihikaos na naman kayo. Maghihingalin kayo sa, parang ganun. So overall, money and career energy for you this month, Leo, is the month brings financial healing for some of you. Others of you, emotional relief sa pera. May mga new opportunities na darating. May clarity sa mga direction mo. Strong intuition to avoid scams. Steady, safe progress mangyayari. And then may breakthrough blessing before the year ends. Claim nyo yung blessing na yan. So you are leaving behind this month mga financial stress, mga confusions, mga wrong investments, mga overwhelming pressure. And you are stepping into stability, direction, clarity, divine guidance, and aligned opportunities. So, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. Let me know po if nagustuhan niyo ang reading na ito by liking this video. Paki-comment sa baba if naka-resonate kayo. And most especially, if may gusto kayong i-claim nyo pa. I-claim nyo sa baba by commenting para makuha nyo itong energy ng reading. Para mag-manifest sa inyo. Now, for those of you na gustong magpa-private tarot reading, it's 2,500 po. For more inquiries, ayan, message me sa Facebook page, Bono Magos PH. Now, for those of you na gustong magpabook ng Destiny Path reading, iba po siya sa tarot reading, okay? Destiny Path. Gusto yung makalaman ang kapalaran ninyo. Alright? 2,500 din po. For more services na meron ako, aura reading, Akashic, palm reading if you want, aura reading, malalaman kung ano yung mga balakid sa success mo, and then tutulungan ko kayong matanggal yung balakid na yon. Through ritual, magsasuggest ako, nasa sa inyo kung gagawin niyo yung ritual o ipapagawa niyo sa akin. Pag ipapagawa niyo, another payment. Okay, and also may mga recommended crystals na makakatulong din para matanggal yung mga balakid sa inyong success sa buong aspeto na yan ng buhay ninyo. Another payment if you're going to buy the recommended crystals na ako ang gagawa with free intentions, free ritual na, and what else? Kasama na sa 38 steps of blessing ritual ang Reiki. For more inquiries about that, sa mga sinasabi ko, you can ask me sa Facebook page ko, Bono Magos PH. Yung may blue check ang hanapin nyo ha, verified na Meta. Okay. For those of you naman na interested sa mga premium crystal bracelet na meron ako with class, like this one, mga ganitong klase ng crystal bracelet, marami pang designs. Huwag mo na kayong aalis, okay, para makita nyo yung mga designs and makapili kayo. 1,000 plus lang po. May free intentions na siya, free prayer request or ritual. Just take a screenshot sa gusto yung bilhin, and then i-message nyo yung screenshot sa Facebook page ko, Bono Magos PH, and then we'll go from there sa processing, mga invoice, ganyan. So, what else? I think basta tapusin nyo itong video hanggang sa dulo para makita nyo yung mga new items, mga crystal bracelet. Mga sir and kuyang, ayan, pwede nyo ipamigay pang regalo sa girlfriends ninyo or asawa ninyo. And you can have the free ritual or free prayer request sa inyo ang intentions. Ayan. Pero yung gift, pwede sa iba nyo ipamigay. What else? I think that's it. So, maraming salamat, Leo, Sun Rising and Venus Placement. I hope see you again next time. Ingat po kayo and God bless.